What's up everyone, welcome back to Forward Ventures. It's Hong once again, and today we'll be tackling the long-awaited drawer slash sleeping platform slash storage system in the background. As you can see, I do have the box built to actually slide out with the fridge down at the bottom right there. Yes, that is the CFX45 from Dometic. Finally got that. Originally I was supposed to get the CFX55, and I'm happy I didn't get that one because this one is a really tight fit. So the 55 won't have fit, but I'm glad that is in because right now it's back ordered again, and just glad it's here. So whenever I need it or whenever I get to go out, because we in Ontario are in another freaking lockdown. Yes, so that's a whole nother story, but let's get into why this is taking so long. First of all, that box back there is the second box that we made. So we, as in my dad and myself, he's been helping me get through this project. And before I get to that story there, I'm going to show you these sliders. This slider just came in on Monday, and this is my fourth set or fifth set that I received from Amazon. The first one was bent. There was a slight bent, and we couldn't have have it sliding in and out perfectly, so we had to return that. The second one, there was an issue with locking, so when you pull it all the way out, it won't lock in place, and when you pushed it all the way back in, it would not lock either. So there was really no point. The thing was just sliding back and forth. So that was no good. Returned that, and then the third set, I wasn't able to push the drawer back in, so it came all the way out, and we were stuck there. We were literally stuck there, couldn't go back in. So we actually had to break the original drawer system because there was two screws in front that we couldn't get to. It was literally, let's see, maybe I can show you. I think it was this screw right here that we couldn't get to. That was on the drawer system. So we literally had to bash it, break it, and then that's why we have a second one there. Then I ordered another heavy-duty version of this, which has the yellow end. That came in. I didn't read the descriptions, and unfortunately it does not dislocate itself when it's fully engaged, so you can't take the drawer system out yourself, because once it's in, that's in. You can't take it out, and if you had to remove the whole platform itself to do some maintenance, it would have been a real headache. So I returned that set, and then finally got this one here, which seems to be working. It's not bent or anything like that, and it's moving in and out smoothly. It's locking in place. So I will be doing that shortly. We'll be attaching it onto the drawer system itself right there. So that's why it's been taking so long to get this finally done. But that drawer system, that set of wood was actually repurposed from my platform, a sleeping platform, that I just decided to, it's not being used right now. I can't go out to Home Depot, buy wood, because we are in lockdown for who knows when. Well, until sometime in May, or probably get extended into June, and then there's new variants. So I won't be going out camping or anything soon. So repurposed that sleeping platform piece of wood, and made that one because I had no more wood lying around, so there it is. So it's pretty simple. Let me just get over here. Pretty simple. Once I get the slider in, the sliders just go in between here on both sides, and this just slides out like that and slides back in. Pretty straightforward. I do need to drill vent holes on the side here, back here, and some holes for wiring, because this guy is pretty big. You can see there is the vent hole there, and then you have this one right here. So yeah, I gotta drill up those holes, attach the sliders, then fully secure these aluminum brackets to the platform, and we are good. Also, this piece right here goes right. Trying to do this with one hand, it's a little hard. Okay, this goes down here somewhere. I'll just put this down for now. As you can see here, there are 4 holes. These holes coincide with the bottom of the fridge. There's 4 holes that I can put screws into, so this is gonna hold that, and I'll be putting little latches here to secure the fridge from moving forward, backwards and forwards during motion. Yeah, so today we'll just get some things done. We'll just get the sliders installed, make sure that the drawer is sliding in and out and it locks in place, then drill out the holes, get this platform readied so that the fridge can sit on there securely, and then we'll deal with the other attachments to this. So yeah, that's the story why this section, this part of my sleeping platform's been taking it's not a sleeping platform, my drawer system's been taking so long. It's just quality issues with the products. So yeah, all right, that's enough for me talking. Let's get these sliders, let's get these sliders installed and go from there. All right. Alright, first slider is in. Seems like it's working, so all I do is just press down on this little blue lever, slide it back in, and there it goes. It locks in. It's not doing anything weird, just making sure it looks straight. So let's get the second one in. You're probably wondering why I kept going back to this company. Pretty much the only one on Amazon, or there's several other ones. It's different brands, but they're all the same. They're all coming from China and it's just rebranded, so I just stuck with the cheaper one with the cheaper price with better ratings. So hence I just kept on buying the same one over and over, because I really had no other choice on Amazon that I could go for, because the other brands were probably $10 to $15 more. So you know what, it's the same thing, it's just rebranded. So I stuck with them, and hopefully this is the last set I have to get. But yeah, it seems like it's working. Yeah. All right, let's get the second one and we'll go from there. About to do some pilot holes into the board that fits onto the Dometic fridge. How I got these measurements was by putting the screws, M6 screws, onto the fridge itself, and then just adding some acrylic paint to the ends here, and then quickly putting the fridge on top of this board by adding some pressure, which allowed me to get some little indents of the screw head around here. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but yeah, there's like rough markings on all four. Hopefully this is good enough. Hopefully this will work, because I can't seem to figure out a better way to do this, because on their site they just have the rough dimensions of the fridge, and they don't have dimensions of the bottom. Finally got the 4 holes drilled. As you can see right here, I have it screwed onto the Dometic fridge, which is upside down at the moment, but you can see all the 4 screws are in. I just need to countersink these and add these washers to them. Just have them temporary for now, but yeah, these are gonna go in under there, and then it's going to countersink them, then drill out these 4 remainder leg holes with I think it was 1 3/4 inch a drill bit, just to get that out, and then the legs of the fridge will sit perfectly, and then this will sit flush with the fridge. Right now, I don't know if you can see it, there is about a quarter inch of space. So once I get those leg holes drilled, this will sit flush. So yeah, getting there, just a little bit further each time. Hey guys, we are almost complete the first part of the slider slash drawer system combo. As you can see, it's actually missing the bottom drawer, which is a kind of a work in progress. I haven't figured out how I want to build that at the moment, so I'm just gonna leave that out for now. It's not really a priority, so that's gonna be coming soon. But the main priority is to get the platform for the fridge completed, which we have done. All the holes, mounting holes are all drilled out. The vent holes are all done. Right here I got the 4 holes, the big holes for the legs, Then these smaller holes here, there's 4 of them for the mounting of the screws. So these are M6 hex screws. These are 50 millimeters, which go from the bottom up into the fridge, so that will lock it in place. And to fully secure the fridge, I'll also be using 4 ratchet straps, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. We have these holes cut out here. We'll just go through this and then latch onto the handles right here, and the fridge will be secure in this slider slash box system. At the moment, the box is actually not screwed into the slider, so I can't really show you guys how it works, because I'll be taking it outside into the garage and to get it painted. So hence can't show you guys how it works. But yeah, that's pretty much the update for now. We are slowly making progress, and hopefully in the next couple of videos that drawer system will be complete, and then I can start working on the next one over there. So yeah, thank you guys for coming along on the journey. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, ciao.